Top 20 Wizard Facts About London. Welcome to Knowledge TV KTV. Please subscribe the channel. Number 1. London is home to the Ministry of Magic, which is responsible for regulating the use of magic in the United Kingdom. Number 2. Diagon Alley, the famous wizarding shopping street, is located in London. Number 3. The Leaky Cauldron, a popular wizarding pub, is also located in London. Number 4. The headquarters of the Order of the Phoenix is located in London. Number 5. St. Mungo's Hospital for Magical Maladies and Injuries is located in London. Number 6. The Hogwarts Express departs from King's Cross Station in London. Number 7. The British Museum houses a collection of magical artifacts, including the goblin-made Sword of Gryffindor. Number 8. The Palace of Westminster is enchanted to prevent Muggles from noticing the magical activities that take place there. Number 9. The London Underground has a secret platform, Platform 9 3/4, where students catch the Hogwarts Express. The Tower of London is home to a group of ravens who are believed to protect the crown and the realm. It is said that if the ravens leave the tower, the kingdom will fall. The River Thames is home to a variety of magical creatures, including the mere people who live in the Black Lake at Hogwarts. The wizarding community in London is regulated by the International Confederation of Wizards. The wizarding prison, Azkaban, is located on an island in the North Sea, not far from London. The Night Bus, a magical bus that can travel at high speeds and navigate through Muggle traffic, picks up stranded witches and wizards in London. The wizarding newspaper, The Daily Prophet, is headquartered in London. The British Ministry of Magic is located in Whitehall, just a few blocks from the Muggle Prime Minister's office. The wizarding sport of Quidditch is extremely popular in London, with matches held at the Ministry of Magic's Quidditch pitch. The magical creature known as a boggart is particularly prevalent in London, due to the city's long and tumultuous history. The wizarding world has its own currency, with Gringotts Wizarding Bank located in Diagon Alley in London. The Ministry of Magic enforces strict laws prohibiting the use of magic in front of Muggles, which is known as the International Statute of Wizarding Secrets.